In today's video, I'll be talking about the other accessory, which is the rear rack basket that just arrived in the mail. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So just early this afternoon, this nice heavy-duty metal basket just arrived in the mail for the STARRUN 20-inch fat tire e-bike. And as you can see, the bike did come with pre-installed rear rack on the back. This is nice, and it's a nice metal rear rack. It's approximately about 8 inches wide by about 16 or 17 inches long. I actually just measured it. And this is a very nice rear rack, guys. It even makes the bike look a lot nicer. It just gives it it gives it that rugged look, if you know what I mean. And then, so in another package, they also sent me this nice heavy-duty metal rear rack. Also came with some Allen wrenches and some screws and whatnot. Here's one Allen wrench, and here's the tools that I need to install it. And also has pre-drilled, let me show you this. Also has pre-drilled holes, which align exactly with the rear rack. And as you can see here, okay, so this installation should be straightforward. So what's nice about it, if you pay attention to the rear rack, to the rear basket, excuse me, you can see that I can install the basket either vertically or horizontally. So I think I'm going to go ahead and install it like this, and then we're going to see how that looks. It should look pretty good. So let me go ahead and install it, and I'll get back to you and show you what that looks like, all right? Now, guys, before I go any further, the measurements of this rear basket is 13 inches, it's 18 inches long by 13 inches wide by just about 5.5 inches deep, just so you know. So just in case you want to use this bike for delivery purposes or food delivery or whatever you want to do. That way you have a good idea of what you can fit in this nice, sturdy metal basket. I'm really liking this. I know these baskets, they're not cheap to purchase for some of these e-bikes, so it's very nice that this basket was included along with the STARRUN 20-inch fat tire e-bike. Alright guys, so after about 10 or 12 minutes, give or take, I did manage to install the rear basket successfully with all 4 bolts and nuts on the bottom using washers. Each one came with a washer, and it is nice and sturdy now, guys. It ain't gonna go nowhere because it did have pre-drilled holes, as I showed you just a minute ago. And actually, these screws using an Allen wrench, that the Allen wrench it comes with, and that. This is what it looks like. I think the bike looks pretty good. Let me give you a better shot of that. I think it looks pretty good, and I do like the way that this rear basket fits too, and it actually makes the bike look like a delivery bike in a way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long. If you guys like this type of content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps me out. So I do appreciate it if you do so. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. Drop me a line down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Take care.